Hello, we're going to talk to you today about caring for your helmet. It's essential that you keep the helmets clean, especially the visor, this part here. So let's talk about the outer shell first. Clean this regularly, ideally with lukewarm, soapy water, and use a microfiber cloth to wash it with the lukewarm soapy water. The cloth must obviously be clean. You can get these from most supermarkets, from Alfords, etc. Microfiber cloths, nice and soft, and you use the lukewarm soapy water to wash the outer shell with the cloth. Let the helmet dry naturally, no artificial heat sources, no radiators, anything like that. Just let it dry off. It won't take long for the outer shell. And then you polish it with another microfiber cloth. So 2 microfiber cloths and some warm soapy water for regular cleaning of the helmet. Now with the visor, obviously the bit you look through gets coated in sticky bugs, flies, all sorts of stuff at all times of year. Again, lukewarm soapy water is your friend, with a microfiber cloth to very, very carefully wipe across the surface. Fairy liquid like this is particularly good for nasty sticky bugs and can help shift it. What you can also do as well is soak a microfiber cloth if it's really cacked up. Soak a microfiber cloth in the warm soapy water, and then you can stick that across the visor like so. And what that will do is the dampness, the water will penetrate the bugs, and after a few minutes it should make it nice and easy to very carefully wipe off. So never use a hairdryer on this or on the visor. Don't use any polish or window cleaner or solvents of any way, shape or form. These products could damage the coating of the visor and weaken the surface. They often are anti-scratch on here, so it can often weaken the anti-scratch coating, which you don't want to do. So warm, soapy water and microfiber cloths are your friend with that. That's the exterior. For the interior, a lot of helmets now do have removable inner cheek pads, which can quite often just pop out on little press studs like this one here, as you can see. If I turn it over, you can see the press studs on there. What you can then do with these is any of the detachable inner linings, you can wash them with mild detergent. Baby shampoo is actually ideal for this, in water that's hot to your hands, but obviously not too hot. So water that you can bear your hands in, a bit of baby shampoo on these detachable cheek pads and liners of the helmet. Rinse these thoroughly, squeeze out any excess water and allow them to dry slowly. Do not use a washing machine or a tumble dryer for these. Okay, so that's that. And finally, if you have a helmet that doesn't have any detachable cheek pads or linings, you can use lukewarm soapy water and apply it with a sponge on the inside, and after you've done that, use clean water to obviously get rid of the soap and dry very slowly. So it's very straightforward. Looking after your helmet, lukewarm water or even warm water for these fellas, the cheek pads. A couple of microfiber towels is all you need. Take good care of this, because you need to see through this clearly and look after the outside, which looks nice. One final tip: when you're walking out and about, don't stick your gloves in here, because the Velcro on the gloves will attack the surface of the liners and the cheek pads. Not to mention that your gloves will be covered in cack and flies. You don't want to put it in here where you stick your head now, do you? Not at all. Okay, so that's how to look after your helmet.